How to fix Facebook posts not showing on timeline. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your Facebook posts are not showing on timeline, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now you want to search for Facebook on the search bar. Now if you find the update button, go ahead and tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If there is open option, it means that your application is already fully updated. Next thing you want to do is tap and hold on Facebook and tap on app info. Now, you want to tap on the storage option. Here, tap on clear cache. Once that is done, you want to open Facebook and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, tap on these three lines. Now tap on the username. Here, tap on these three dots. Now tap on activity log. From here, tap on your Facebook activity, then tap on manage posts. Over here, you want to tap on the filters option. Then you want to select categories. Now select your post photos and videos. Here you want to tap on all and select all of your photos, videos and posts. Now tap on these three dots. Tap on change audience. Now tap on change audience again. Here tap on public. Now tap on change. Once that is done, you want to head back. Now to check if your problem has been fixed, tap on view as option, and as you can see, your posts are appearing on timeline. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.